Yeah, so what's likely to happen to the aftermarket workshops if they don't liaise with customers during a service?
Because we're already seeing it happen from the OEs. There's an expectation. Customers want more engagement from businesses that they deal with. They need more information, and that digital kind of information is really valuable for them.
Yeah.
If they don't, they're potentially going to lose those customers that are engaging. They might be just as good, or they could even be worse mechanics than what that workshop is doing. But because they're not explaining that to the customer can't realize the value, and the next time the car needs something done, they might try somewhere else.
Information's power, isn't it?
Absolutely. And really it's the how we use that information to engage with that customer, to share that information with them, that keeps them engaged with us and brings them back.
Yeah. It's the communication that sets the relationship up. And if it's there and it's consistent, and there's nothing better than a client getting a call going, oh, thank you for updating me.
And that's the other piece. You can follow up. If you've got a record, that's a record for the customer, but it also becomes a record for you. So you can go back and see, well, this is exactly what happened last time, and here's the photo. I can see the brake pad wear marker, and no, well, that's how much you were last time, that's how much you are this time. And I can project, hey, in 6 months, you're probably going to need brakes. I can either do them now, or I can call you back in 6 months. And it gives you those opportunities. Again, really showing that customer care and that customer engagement to keep them in your workshop.